Hello my friends, today we're gonna bake cauliflower. For this recipe you will need 1 head of cauliflower cut into the florets, for the sauce you will need 1 cup of plain yogurt, half cup of buttermilk and 5 minced garlic cloves. Add 1 tablespoon of salt into the boiling water and boil cauliflower florets for 10 minutes. Mix cauliflower with the yogurt mix and place into the baking dish. Add shredded mozzarella cheese on top and bake for 15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Oh, I'm sure you and your family will enjoy this dinner.